Alright, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you two ways that work together to earn you money. So the first website you want to head over to is HitLeap. There will be a link in the description. So what HitLeap does is it exchanges minutes, which are basically just amount of time, right? So here I have 4,160 minutes, and that exchanges out for 24,000 hits. So you're going to, in order to get these minutes, you need to go to the Traffic Exchange, download their application, right? So I'm just gonna cancel it here because I already have it. It looks a little something like this. So all you need to do to earn these minutes is press start on there. It's 100% free. And then they will just join over time, and you'll get more and more minutes as you go. So then, what you want to do after is you want to head to my website, and then submit a new website, and then set this around to 10 seconds, I guess you could set it. Just have it on the HitLeapTraffic.com traffic exchange, and then for the website address, what you want to do is you want to go to the second link in the description, Shorty, and then you want to get any random link, so we could just get the link of the website here and just put that in, shorten that, and then copy it, and then we'll put this into here and put that in. So what that'll take around 5 to 10 minutes to get reviewed and fully going. So then you will sit back and just earn money off this website called Shorty. So it's not an insanely fast amount of money that you gain, but it is a decent amount of money considering it is all free. So anyways, if you guys want to stay tuned for more methods on how to earn money online, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm always coming up with new methods. Anyways, I'll see y'all later.